Hello everyone, this is the 8th tutorial for Java, and in this tutorial we are gonna tell you about method overloading, static and non-static context. So what is method overloading? So for your ease I have already written the definition of method overloading. Forget about the method. What is the term overloading means? Simply the term overloading means more than one single thing, more than single thing. Something is more than one is overloading and have same features, almost same features. So it is the feature when a class have more than one method with a single name but their number of argument must be different. We can say number of the argument must be different, or type of argument must be different, or the signature of function must be different. The term signature means that return type or anything like this must be different, but the name of the function must be same. So this is method overloading. This phenomenon is known as method overloading, and the methods that the methods are known as overloaded methods. So to show how method overloading works, I have already written a program for you, so I'm gonna show you how this program is working. So here it is, overloading demo. So this is the program, reducing the size. Okay, so this is simple, the utility package. Here is demo class. Up to here we have a function or called as area, public void area, and it has zero argument to pass. What we are doing, creating the object of scanner class, enter radius, in taking input of integer variable and finding the area of a circle. So area of the circle using this without passing any argument. Here the function name is same as this function, but we are passing two variables, two arguments, that is one integer and another is long. And what we are doing, we are multiplying this and finding the area of rectangle. And the third thing, we are passing two variables, first is int, another is double, and we are finding the area of triangle. So the function which have the class which have main function is this overloading demo. In this class we are creating the object of upper class, this is demo class, calling the area function. So how this call is differentiated? So in method overloading, call is differentiated on the basis of argument passed. So here what we are doing, we are passing zero argument, so this function will be called this area. Second is short and byte. So we are passing two arguments here and two arguments here. This is the float one. So this call is differentiated on the basis of arguments, number of argument. Now we will run this program. Overloading demo.java. Enter the radius is 2, and all the other values are already passed. So this is the circle, rectangle, triangle. This is how it works. So this is all about overloading. You can read more on the internet or the books. Now moving to static and non-static context. So this thing can be understand using this program demo 6. In this we have main function, we have defined a variable here, and now we are gonna run this program, simply running this program. So java c demo6.java. So there is a error. Error is non-static variable a cannot be referenced from a static context. So this function is static. We are defining it as static type. So the context, this context from this braces to this braces, this is static, and the thing outside the function in a class are non-static. So this int is non-static. So to call this a in this static function, we need to convert this into static. Use the word static here. Now running the program, it will successfully compile and will run 10. So this run. So one thing from here, we can convert static, we can call static thing static to non-static is possible. So if we call some static thing from a static construct into the non-static one, then it is possible in Java to call it. But non-static to static is very not possible. So we will talk more about this in other lectures after this. So 2 points you need to note down is static things can also be called using object, can be called using object, but generally, or we can say normally, static things are called using class name. This is done using the operator class name dot variable or function. So this is about static and non-static context. Now moving to third thing, that is the constructor. Constructor. So what is constructor? It is a special method whose name is same as class name. It do not have return type, not even void. It is automatically invoked when object of the class is created. It is used to initialize the data members. So we are gonna see how constructor works. So we have already written the program for constructor for you. So you can see this program. We have class A. In class A we are defining this constructor. This is the constructor. You can see it only have public, don't have any return type. Its name is same as class name. And now in another class we are creating the object of a class. This is simply creation of object. So when we create the object of the class, its constructor is called. So we will run this program. Successfully compiled, constructor invoked. So this is how it works. Now we're gonna see another example of the same. This is class A. These are two variables. We have the constructor. We have commented this. We have the constructor. This is the parameterized constructor, and this one is default constructor. So there are two types of constructor: default constructor and parameterized constructor. Parameterized constructor are those constructor in which we pass arguments. So here we are creating the object, calling the show method, and here when we create the object, this is called automatically. So it is simple. We will run this program java c constructor test 2.java. There is some error. So we need to comment this and use this. Successfully compile. Now we are passing 4 and 5 here. It will go here. A got 4, this will be 5, and we are printing this. So 4 and 5. This is all about constructor overloading and static and non-static context. So we are done with this lecture. We'll see you in the next. So hope you like it. Bye.